We all know that women are underrepresented within STEM and within the finance industry more broadly.
I want to welcome you all. It's super nice to see all of you here.
So our education team here at Optiva is made up of people from the business, and that really adds a depth to how they deliver the training and really gives you an understanding of what it feels like to be in one of those careers.
So I decided to apply to the programme because I come from quite a technical degree, data science. I knew I wanted to go into a field like trading where I could use my technical skills. In terms of skills I've built in the programme, it would definitely be confidence. I think as a girl who wants to go into the trading industry, it's such an important trait to have. The trainers in the sessions that were teaching us about market making and what Optiva does, they really emphasised that you have to speak clearly and be confident in the decisions you're making.
I've been a trader for 4 years.
I am the team lead for our trading operations team.
On the first day we had this really lovely panel with one speaker from each of 3 main streams at Optiva, and I thought that was really interesting again to see how they made their journey through university and found Optiva to be the right fit, and if they come from industry, how they need to make the switch. You can ask questions and learn. I think that's a culture that I haven't seen as much at other institutions where I've done insight days.
We used OptiBook, which is an in-house trading platform. We were able to trade with market bots and trade with each other using our own trading algorithms. I found that really interesting. I think we were able to experience the market volatility with our profit and loss going up and down, and how we can adapt our trading strategies to combat that.
We're hoping that you'll walk away from this programme not only with a technical skill set, but also with a transferable skill set and the ability to go into the interview process with confidence and the ability to ace it. This, for us, is a really important programme to address that, to give women an insight to the industry and our culture early on in their career.